अभी सर प्रेजेंटेशन में हमने टूरिज्म के बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे जो आने वाले हैं, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि एक तरफ से कोल है और टूरिज्म ये दोनों पैरेलल चल सकते हैं?
Yeah, definitely. See, if you, I think you are going into the port, so you will. I understand that when you are standing at the cruise terminal, you will not notice anything related to the cold, unless that is in your mind. So you will not be able to physically. You will not be able to kind of. Many ports are handling it at that way. It is some places they'll cover up in a beautiful way the where coal handling is. But it has not affected the handling of the coal has not affected our kind of cruise visits in any way.
ओके, और सर दूसरा सवाल ये है कि जो यहाँ के लोकल लोग हैं, वास्को के लोकल लोग हैं, वो लोग सोशल मीडिया पे हम लोगों ने देखा बहुत से वीडियो वायरल हो रहे हैं, उनके घर पे पोल्यूशन दिख रहा है, ऐसे बहुत वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल हो रहे हैं। तो ये जो पोल्यूशन है, ये पोल्यूशन के साथ टूरिज्म को इफेक्ट होगा?
No, again, the question is the same thing. So we had done a study under the IIT Mumbai of the dust pollution and air pollution in this area. I'm not saying that the coal is will not pollute, but even in the study, it was came out that it is mostly it is the road dust and the biofuel, the biomass burning, which is contributing to the pollution than the port pollution. So obviously, I'm not saying that port is not polluting, but port is not the major polluter. That is the study which was done on the insistence of the Goa Pollution Board. Also showed that the road dust and this biomass burning are the major sources of pollution.
So what are measures MPA has taken to control this dust pollution or?
Yeah, I think most of it will. When you go down to the port, you will see that we have all these systems, the mist cannons, and all the dust suppression systems. Why we have invested 4 crore on a project, a pipeline project, is with the SIDCGL is we are bringing that much water, the treated water into the port, the 100% for the dust suppression things. Then you today I think the silo loading, probably they may not be able to see today the silo loading. But the way the coal is handled and it is conveyed to the conveyor belt and it is loaded, you will see that there are very less chance of kind of polluting. Whether the finer dust will come up, again Adani, when you go to Adani today, they will explain, they are also coming up with some kind of measures whereby they will put a filament over the coal stack. There is some chemical which can be mixed with water, and if it is sprayed, it will form a kind of a small cover over the stacks of coal. So all these measures are being taken, and you will, I think you will be able to see and appreciate what are the measures which we are taking to reduce the pollution. And as you have seen from the presentation, and if you look at that ambient air quality readings, you will see that it is much less than what is permitted.
So dome is also coming.
Yeah, the JSW, that is SWPL, they are coming out with a dome which you will see now when you go. They have already invested around 160 crore, and the dome structure is complete. It will be the structure will be completed by the end of February. So that dome is already in place. And Adani is also taking other, depending on the latest technologies, they are also putting some measures in place to kind of reduce it.